Hello everyone, I'm Sujan Kumar Shrestha from Department of Veterinary Theory and Zoology. My video presentation is on quotation. Quotation, according to Oxford Dictionary, quotation is a group of words taken from a text or a speech and repeated by someone other than original author or speaker. The common meaning of quotation is an exact copy of someone else's words, usually enclosing quotation marks and credited to the original author or speaker. To quote a source, we must ensure the quoted text is enclosed in quotation marks, the original author is correctly cited, the text is identical to the original. The exact form of quote depends on its length and on which citation style you are using. Quoting and citing correctly is essential to avoid plagiarism, which is easy to detect with a good plagiarism checker. How to cite a quote in APA style? To cite a quote in APA style, author's last name, the year, and a page number all are separated by commas. If the quote appears on a single page, use P only. If it spans a page range, use PP. As shown in the example, which is evolution is a gradual process that can act only by very short and slow steps. Darwin, 1859, page 510. How to introduce a quote? Introducing a quote has three strategies. First, add an introductory sentence. Introduce the quote with a full sentence ending in colon. Example, in Denmark, a recent poll shows that support for the EU has grown since the Brexit poll. A membership referendum held today would be backed by 55% of Danish voters. Levin 2018, page 3. Second, introductory signal phrase. It mentions the author or source but doesn't form a full sentence. Comma is used instead of colon. Example, according to a recent poll, a membership referendum held today would be backed by 55% of Danish voters. Levin 2018, page 3. Third strategy, integrate into one sentence. A phrase that doesn't form a full sentence can also be integrated as a part of one sentence without any extra punctuation. Example, a recent poll suggests that EU membership would be backed by 55% of Danish voters in a referendum. Levin 2018, page 3. Quote within a quote. When you quote text that itself contains another quote, that is called nested quotation or quote within a quote. Example, Hari told Sam says, let's go out tomorrow. When to use quotation? To add the power of an author's words to support argument, to disagree with an author's argument, to highlight powerful phrases or passages, to compare and contrast specific points of view, to note the important research that precedes. Thank you.